The latest collection of Instagrammable beautiful garden fences, design ideas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Explore the enchanting world of garden fences with our latest collection of Instagrammable beautiful garden fences, design ideas. Transform your outdoor space into a picturesque haven with these innovative and visually stunning fence designs that blend functionality with aesthetics. In this video, we have curated a diverse selection of garden fence ideas that are not only functional, but also incredibly Instagram-worthy. From classic wooden fences adorned with vibrant flowers to modern minimalist designs that exude elegance, there's something for every garden enthusiast and design lover. What you'll discover: 1. Creative and unique garden fencing ideas. 2. Tips for choosing the perfect fence for your garden. 3. DIY inspiration for budget-friendly projects. 4. Expert advice on garden landscaping. 5. How to enhance privacy without compromising style. Get ready to be inspired and embark on a journey to revamp your garden space with these delightful fence designs. Whether you have a small balcony garden or a sprawling backyard, our collection caters to all tastes and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting garden and home decor ideas. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Join our community of garden enthusiasts and let's make your outdoor space truly magical. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!